All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the login and enrollment messages that automatically get sent to students when they enroll in a program. So what we're going to do is navigate to our program over here. We're going to click Edit Program and come up here to our settings. We're then going to scroll down and you'll see that we have our login message setting. It is currently set to global. So our global login can be applied to programs across the board. This is going to be a very generic message and will simply provide the login details. But if you want to create a more personalized email for the program itself, you would then go ahead and use a program email template. But let's go and have a look at our global email template quickly. We're going to hit edit and you'll come in here and you'll be able to see exactly what this email says and what information is being set out. So as you can see, it's quite generic. So you'll see, hi recipient first name, thank you for registering for the program name program. We're thrilled to have you on board and look forward to delivering some world-class content. So you can go ahead and edit this and keep it generic because this is the automatic message that's going to go out anytime you use the global message. So no matter how many programs you have, this is going to send out if you have the global message selected. You would then, of course, hit save on whatever changes you've made. You would need to fill in all of this. So let's just put in my name and there we go. We can go ahead and hit save. And that global login message has been edited and changed. But if I want to make it more personalized, I can go ahead and create a program-based message. I can then go ahead and edit that template. I need to save my changes. Let's go ahead and hit save. And then I can edit this message. From here, we can go ahead and create something more custom. So you wouldn't need to have the program name program. You could say exactly, thank you for registering for Dog Training 101. We're thrilled to have you on board and look forward to helping you with your doggy problems. And so this is going to work well because if someone signs up for my dog training program, they're getting a message that is specifically catered to the dog training program. But if I have a program that is about baking cakes as well as a program about training dogs, then I wouldn't want this message to be going out to my cake baking users. So this is just the best example that I've got over here. All right, we're going to hit save. And now our program login specific message has been saved. And we can be sure that they're getting a very unique and special message designed to go along with the dog training program. You can, of course, select none and choose to create a sequence of messages that goes out anytime someone enrolls in this program. So if we choose none, we can go ahead and hit save. We can come here to our messenger. We can come to sequences, create a sequence, say dog training 101, and put in our details here. Hit save. And then we can go ahead and start building out that sequence. You would probably do this if you were selling your program through a funnel and you wanted a sequence of emails to go out in alignment with the release dates of each module. So that is when this type of setup might be a bit better. I'm not going to go into full detail on setting up the sequence. Like I said, I'm going to create a whole video dedicated to selling your programs through a funnel. So stick around for that. But right now, that is how you can customize those two main ways of sending login messages. All right, in the next video, I'm going to show you the student process all the way from enrolling in the program, seeing the difference between VIP and regular students, and what the program experience is like. I'll see you there.